Rumor has it that cooking brown rice is tricky. Want to make brown rice that's cooked perfectly every time? Brown rice is not only tasty, it's good for you too. Brown rice is whole grain, gluten-free, and it helps you with 1. Improving your digestion because of its high in fiber. 2. Preventing diabetes. 3. Weight loss by boosting your metabolism. 4. It boosts your immunity with its zinc properties. 5. Reduces the risk of cancer and heart disease. 6. It's a great first food for baby. To make fluffy, tasty brown rice, just follow this easy method. Then, enjoy it as fried rice, with curries, stir-fries, and more. You will need 1 cup of uncooked brown rice, 2 cups of water, 1 tsp of extra virgin olive oil, optional. How to make. First, rinse the brown rice. This step is necessary for removing excess starch from rice. Don't skip this step. Then, pour in 2 cups water to 1 cup brown rice ratio into a pan. If you like, stir in a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Next, it's time to cook. Bring the water to a boil, reduce the heat, cover, and simmer for about 45 minutes, until the rice is tender and has absorbed the water. Finally, turn off the heat. Let the pot sit covered for 5 minutes before removing the lid and fluff it with a fork. Enjoy it with stir-fries and serve it as a side dish with curries or stews. For the best fluffy brown rice, use the Bridges Organic Brown Rice. It's affordable, easy to cook, and certified organic. Order your brown rice today on +254 797 870372. Stay tuned to Bridges for more healthy recipes. Follow us on IG @Bridges Organic Shop.